Are we making makeup fun again? Ring light is like directly in your face. So I have hooded eyes, as you could see. It's hooded, okay? When I put it up, you can't see none, okay? And on top of that, I really have small eyes, so I don't know if that helps either. I legit only have 3 palettes. These are my 3 palettes. This one is Jackie Ina's Anastasia collaboration. Look how pretty it is. And it has a lot of beautiful colors. And I use it. It gets love. And then I have this Melt palette. My mother got this for me for Christmas. I don't want to hold her up, but she has a lot of beautiful colors. And we will focus on that. I do not know why I'm going to show you all my palettes, but I am. And then I also have this ColourPop Sailor Moon because I really do like Sailor Moon. Even though these colors do not look the best for me. I guess I really got this one more for nostalgia. Well, my husband got it for me, and I just like Sailor Moon. So, yeah. Here we are. So let's get started because that's what you came here for, right? So first things first, I like to put a concealer on my base. This one is the Coast concealer, and this is in 7.3N, which is neutral. And it's it's a super creamy plus brightening concealer. So I'm gonna put it right here. And you really don't have to put as much as I am putting. And I do not put like the concealer all the way in like the corners of my eye. I don't do that. No. Then I grab this brush. This is from Real Technique Deluxe Crease Brush. So this is the one I used. And I kind of just pat it all around. You see? All around. So now I drag it. So when I am putting the concealer, I do not put the concealer all the way. Can you see that? I can spread it down here a little bit, underneath my eye, underneath my eyebrow, but pretty very, very close to my skin tone, just a little bit lighter. And then I do the same to the other. I drag it down. Same thing. This one I may have put more, but that's okay. Like, makeup doesn't have to be perfect. Let's make makeup fun again, right? You know what inspired this look was Chloe. Oh my God, why is her name like not popping up? Is it Chloe? Bailey. And you know what? I wanted to say Chloe Bailey and I did not. But yeah, her makeup inspired this eyeshadow look. So some people would put powder over their concealer, but I do not for my eyeshadow bases. You do what you want to do. I'm going to do this. Okay, so it's good now. As you can see, it's blended in. It's good. She's good. So I'm going to get my Milk palette. Honestly, get whatever palette you want, okay? Like, whatever palette you have. I'm not telling you to go out and buy this. I don't even know if they even have this anymore, so yeah. I mean, maybe I should get, like, a tutorial. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial of me doing, like, a more affordable eyeshadow look. But I'm going to use these 2 colors here. So this is only 2 eyeshadows I'm using. And that's going to be Game Changer and Profesh. Profesh? Profesh. I don't know. I don't know if I pronounced that right. But I'm going to go in with the dark first. I know what you're thinking. You're going in with the dark shadow first? Yes, I is. And don't correct me either. I will be going in with the dark concealer first. So I'm going to grab this. This is like again, you don't have to have the exact same brush. Like, Same one. I don't even know this. Oh, this is Wet and Wild. Like, okay. So if you have a brush that looks like this, you're good. You're straight. So again, like I said, the dark one first, the darker shade. And I'm going to pat. I am going to pat that eyeshadow. Okay. You can tap. Now, I need a mirror, so let me see. I'm grabbing my Celine. I do have a mirror here, but I need like a closer up mirror. See what your girl's doing. I got this mirror from Shein. Not Shein, sorry. I got this mirror from Dollar Tree, and it lights up. Isn't that kind of cool? I love that. So we're gonna grab this brush with our darker shade, and we're going to tap. And again, we're not gonna put it in our inner corner. We're gonna tap, 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 tap. We're gonna go back in and we're gonna tap, 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 tap. I'm gonna show you how to do the one, and then I'm going to do the other one. So when I'm putting the darker shade, I am not going further into that line. So if you have hooded eyes like me, do not put your darker shade any higher than that line. You see that line that I have right there? Do not put it any higher than that. So just keep tapping. This is what I do. I am no shape or form a professional. This is just what your girl does. Okay? This is a nice little that I do. Okay. So now she's there. Now we see the dark eyeshadow. Isn't it gorgeous? It's gorgeous on its own, isn't it? I love how it looks. Like, it looks so pretty. Okay. Now we're gonna put that one down. She's down. We don't want her anymore. And we're going to pick this brush up. This is the Bretman Rock Wet and Wild collaboration. But any fluffy brush like this is so old. Shout out to Bretman Rock. I picked this up not only because I like him as a creator, but also because I love the way the colors look. Yeah, so I had to keep this. Now we're going to get our lighter green, or your lighter shade, and you're going to, I pat and then I tap. And then we're going to do circular motions. So we're going to, because we want the green, the darker green, we're going to do circular motions on top of that green. And we want it to be not as harsh. So we're cleaning it up as we're doing a circular motion. Now this time we can go higher. So you see, we're gonna blend, 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 blend. So we're gonna circle all around. So now we no longer see that like dark line. So now it's like blending in with the other. We're doing small circles. Small circles. Do you kind of see that? Do you see that? You can kind of see that the dark green is less harsh. I feel like this brush, I know I did this tutorial. I'm doing this tutorial, but I feel like my brush is like, I don't know if I clean this one. It's been a while. No. I have cleaned my brush. Let's start there. I have cleaned my brushes, but I did use this last week. Okay. I did use this last week. And perhaps I didn't clean it the last time I used it, which was last week. Okay, so that's how it looks. You can see that the light green has definitely vibrant it up. I feel like this green, even though it looks light, like I feel like it could be lighter. So I'm gonna see, because your girl does not have. I'm gonna see if I can give it a little yellow to see if it'll brighten it up. So I'm gonna use my Sailor Moon yellow and see if that will brighten it up a little. Okay. Ah, it did. Oh, I think that looks gorgeous. So I just put, it is a smoky eye for green, but I just put some yellow and I feel like that made it more green. How does that look? Oh, I think it's gorgeous. Oh my God, I love. And you know what? The Sailor Moon has the yellow, but we're not done yet. Now we're going to get a brush that looks like this. Okay, and then we're going to get that same dark green that we had before. And we're just going to put it underneath. So by our waterline, we're going to put it right. Honey, we really want this look to pop. This is like the special finishing touch. And I don't put much on. Just a little on the brush, and then I do a sweeping motion as close to the waterline as possible. We don't want a pack of eyeshadow underneath our eyes. You see how that like made a difference with my eyes? Like, wow. So I'm probably going to fast forward this part and then do the same to this eye. To put on lashes. And it's taking me forever. So what do we think? Are we making makeup fun again? This is just a touch of fun. You know what would be even more amazing? Blush. Honey, lots of blush. Let's do it. I already have my shirt. This is the Juvia blush. This is in volume 4. Wowzers. But let's do it, right? We're gonna tap, 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 penny. And why not? And when I put my blush, I put it way up. Like, I put my blush like, honey. Bam. I put her all the way up to my forehead sometimes. I don't do her this dramatic, but I put her way up, like even into my see, this one's a little bit more generous. So most of the time it'll be like this when I do my blush. Get into the groove, boy. And we gotta put a little there. We gotta come on now. This one I went in. That first one, I was having too much fun. Too much fun. I know that like blue eyeshadow, like, but this green is a look, is a vibe. So I really don't have a lot of stuff, but I could put on a chunky bracelet. Give it a little retro. Put on a couple of bracelets. Let's see, what do we think? Is this too much? Maybe like just the... Honey, me? In love with you? Perhaps. I just love the sound. Like, it's giving the yacht on Thursday or the jet. How would I like to spend the evening? Perhaps I'll just spend the evening with me. The best way to spend the evening. So let me know if you want more looks or styles like this. I really do adore it. The blue is very like, I mean the green is very much giving. I feel like the pink and the green are very much okay. And then if I did even more of the lashes, oh my gosh, let me know if I should have did more. Let me know if I should have did something with the lips. I did like lip liner or something. But like, yeah, as for now, I feel like very regal. I feel like, you know, honestly, this arm should be giving some kind of, you know, actually, I think I have another, oh, I can't find it right now, but yes. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this